Take a ride in the 2017 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof, remote start, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.